know Shelly personally because of home automation, and I exactly know the bottom range of the devices, but you also recently went through redesign and made your Shelly devices smaller, right? You've got new series. Tell me quickly a little bit more about it.
So as most of the devices, the color scheme, I'll go through the Pro devices a little bit later, but then the color schemes, the blue is the potential free relays, where you can add a 240 volts into the relay itself to power it for Wi-Fi, and then you can have the potential free for DC voltage or to switch on motors, switch on other relays.
Yeah,
so that's
really serious,
correct. And then I'll start with, and I'll go to the minis a bit later. Then we have the Shelly 1 PM. That is not a potential free relay, where you can actually have power monitoring. So you can see how much are your lights, how much are your devices using. If your TV is on too much, you can basically see, my TV is too much, I can switch that off. This is quite a nice device. It's an add-on, so you can add analog devices onto it, sensors, ground sensors, light sensors, any sort of Arduino type sensors, you can connect onto that, and you can also just increase your automation a little bit further with that. This device is an RGB controller for our LED strips. We do have a new one. It's an RGBW PM, which has the power monitoring functions, but basically
strips as well.
Correct.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you basically, are you hinting that you're heading towards the power monitoring section of the industry?
So there is a big demand to reduce power, to monitor power. We have one of the big suppliers is one of the Pro 3 EMs, where you can see and monitor your three-phase power or single watt power if you want to see a single individual room, and you can actually monitor the power consumption for your whole house or building. For that fact.
If I'm gonna go to my pocket, take my mobile phone and navigate to this beautiful page. This is powered by Shelly 3 at my home. This
seems pretty accurate.
From my solar panels and how much of that power is going to my home and leaving to the grid, unfortunately. But yeah, it's nice to see a redesign in a smaller package, because suddenly we can fit it in more places. And as we're talking about fitting Shelly technology in more places, you have a small announcement to make about what is Shelly X right now behind us.
So let me just find, correct. So we have this, it's quite a small chip, so it's called the Shelly X chip, where most of the devices inside the Shellys already have a variant of this type of chip. And now we're introducing the Shelly X module to go into third-party devices. We have one that was released not too long ago, is a 25 amp relay, which is with a different company, or Grammary, if I'm pronouncing that correctly.
So this is not made by Shelly. You supplied the brains for it to integrate into the Shelly ecosystem.
Yes. So that's one of the ways that the Shelly X chip can make a, let's say, unsmart device smart and include it into an IoT environment as Shelly itself.
So basically, you want to reach out to another company, say like, we have a solution for you, add this to your device, and suddenly all the power measurements, all the smart functions and IoT functions of the Shelly ecosystem will be available at that device.
Correct, yeah.
And I can see on the wall behind you have several different integrations examples. Could you just describe possible use cases for this?
Yeah, sure. So we have an EV charger where you can use the Pro 3EM, and you can see how much power is going through, and then activate the EV charger for your car. We have a smoke detector, which we have had before with company Hyman, where added the chip in and you'll be able to have that into your IoT. We've got the water valve. Now with the water valve, I've been waiting for the water valve myself with the Shelly Flood. So now it's always had the Shelly Flood, and now I have to run home to switch off my water.
Now the leak,
we have an option of Shelly Flood, alert, switch off the valve, and we don't have any issues with that. So that is at least a sigh of relief for one of those things. So I'm actually also glad to see one of those come through. On that side, we have another thing for HVAC systems and thermostats for ground heating, where we've incorporated the Shelly X chip into one of those devices.
So companies will be able to pick their own thermostats type and integrate it in a Shelly ecosystem, as long as that uses the Shelly X inside.
Correct, yeah.
So it's a kind of a light bulb moment in here for home automation. So I'm looking forward to all of this, and I assume that's going to be available on the market very soon, the integrations from the third parties.
Correct.
So if people are looking for you, where they should go for Shelly devices?
So for the Shelly devices, shelly.com, you can go and see all the devices on the website. If you're more interested on the Shelly X, go to shellyx.com and you'll be able to find out more information about those products. And yeah, just reach out if you're interested to find out more about the products. Yeah, reach out and contact us, and we're happy to help.
That's awesome. Basically, head to the description for this video. You're going to find a link to learn more about Shelly products. Thanks so much for talking to me.
Thank you.
I wish you good luck with your products.
Yeah,
and
thank
I'm
you.
looking forward to using all of that in a home automation
space.
space.
Yeah, thanks.